Welcome to Concord Rehab. At Concord Healthcare, we're extremely focused on patient-centered care. The therapists have lots of equipment to choose from when providing therapy care for our patients.
We have the Armeo Spring, which is a sensory-based device which helps with upper extremity strengthening.
We were really excited to welcome the Restore program here at Concord Healthcare. The residents really enjoy that additional exciting activity. We have added Restore to our activity calendar here at Concord, in addition to using the Restore program in the therapy gym.
Our residents are very excited and enthusiastic about using our Restore program. It keeps them busy, active, and motivated to keep going each day.
Restore has added a new excitement to our therapy and activity department. It gives patients in therapy something to look forward to.
I enjoy playing the skiing. I enjoy playing jackpot too.
I usually play the poker game, and the poker is it's fun.
This here is the Andago Device. Our therapists have been trained and skilled to use it with either you or a loved one. Anything that we need to do to help you to get back on your feet and get you back home.
Thank you for taking the time looking into our therapy department here at Concord. We look forward to answering any questions you may have.